In this video, we're going to quickly talk about the Windows Shared Experiences. So this is a feature similar to Apple's Handoff. So if you're not familiar what that is, you're working on an application on one device, and then you can pick up and continue in the corresponding app on your second device to finish working, and vice versa. So say you were working on a tablet in Microsoft Word, and you came then over to your Windows computer. You could then pick up that same document in Word on your Windows computer and continue working where you left off on your tablet device. So this feature may not be as fully developed as, say, Apple's Handoff, and this is also dependent on developers supporting this feature. So this is likely something you may not be familiar with or may not currently use, but just want to make you aware of this, and will certainly keep you updated on any future developments of this feature of Windows. So that is basically it for now for the Windows Shared Experiences, and we will see you in the next video.